Hey everybody, it's Davida with WTI. I have found the most comfortable indoor-outdoor shoe. So these are the Joomra pillow shoes. They feel like you're walking on a cloud, if that's even possible. They're really soft, they're pliable. I enjoy them because they're also lightweight, so you can easily throw them in a backpack or if you're traveling, and they're not heavy at all. I like wearing these outdoors as well just because of how comfortable they are, and they're super, super cute. I've gotten a lot of compliments on these when I wear them, and I mostly wear them indoor as slippers, but you could definitely wear them outdoors as well. And they are quick drying, so whenever they get dirty, which let's face it, whether you wear your shoes indoors or outdoors, they're gonna get dirty. So I've washed these before. They're just easy to wash with a little bit of soap and water. You scrub them and then they dry quickly. So the perfect sandal shoe that you might be looking for, I definitely recommend giving them a try. And that is my point of view.